Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to fold your Subaru Forester's back seats. First, make sure the rear cargo area and back seats are completely clear of any belongings. This prevents damage and ensures a smooth folding process. Also, confirm that all seatbelts are unbuckled and positioned safely out of the way. Next, locate the seat release levers, which are usually found on the side of each seat or within the cargo area itself. Now, let's fold those seats down. For each rear seat, firmly pull the designated release lever or knob. You'll typically find one for each side, allowing for a 60/40 split fold. As you pull the lever, gently push the seat back forward and down into the cargo area. Take a moment to ensure that the seat belt is not caught or pinched by the folding mechanism, as this could cause damage. With the rear seats folded, you've now created a much larger, nearly flat cargo surface. This significantly expands your Forester's cargo volume, offering up to 74 cubic feet in some models. This generous space is perfect for transporting larger items, luggage for a long trip, or even setting up a comfortable area for car camping. Always distribute weight evenly for safe driving. When you're ready to bring your back seats upright, the process is just as simple. Firmly lift each seat back until you hear and feel it click securely into its locked, upright position. It's crucial to verify that both seat backs are fully locked and stable before driving or allowing passengers. Finally, ensure all seat belts are easily accessible and ready for safe use by your passengers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.